Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender, with today's cocktail. I would like to say hi to everybody in Chile, all my Chilean friends, Franco, and for all the people that they don't know this, when I meet production, my lovely wife, aka Autumn Dorman, she was actually speaking in Spanish with a beautiful Chilean accent. So yes, she is bilingual, 100% fluent, and kind of like a funny thing, I was looking and browsing, for some inspiration, recipes or something that it caught my attention. And it happens to be the Academia de Bartenders de Chile by Marco Muñoz, if I remember well. Thank you so much, sir, for this very interesting cocktail. Today we're going to make a vodka apple sour. So please stay here with me. Let me show you how we're going to be pouring this cocktail that Daddy is going to enjoy very, very much. All right. So, while I was browsing the internet, I came across with Marco Muñoz, which is the director of the Bartender Academy for Chile, and he was making this apple sour. The base alcohol is going to be vodka, and actually comes with a little bit of a dry vermouth. It's an interesting concept. I haven't tried it, so we're going to give it a try and see how that works. So the first thing that we're going to be using is going to be a quarter of a green apple. And we're just going to try to make sure that we have this guy in cubes. Obviously, it's going to be a lot easier to muddle. We're going to go for vodka. So in this case, we have Stolichnaya, or you can use the vodka of your preference. We're going to go for 1.5 ounces. By 1/4 of dry vermouth. One full ounce of fresh lemon juice. 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. Let's muddle this guy. Once you have everything very well muddled, let's put some ice, but not just yet. The main ingredient. We're gonna go for an egg white. Remember, if you don't like the egg whites, you can do the aquafaba, you guys. And if you guys been watching the channel, you know that my weakness is actually the sours. Which reminds me, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's put some ice. And let's fill up our glass to start getting it chill. And let's give it a good shake. All right. Usually I like to give the dry shake, but apparently because the apples integrate very well with the sour, it makes the foam right away, which was exactly what we want. Let's start pouring our cocktail. Now for the garnish. Try to make a really cute fan. Ooh, it's actually pretty tasty. A little bit of Peychaud bitters. So Para todos los huevones de Chile. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please remember, don't drink and drive. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Salud and cheers to Chile.